Well, everybody, it's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back. Listen, it's been a busy day at work today, a very busy day. However, I'm lucky enough to be employed by someone who is willing and able to put myself and others in a position where you can watch the game fully without any repercussions, anything like that. So I'm very privileged for that. So I was able to watch the games while I was working. So lovely, lovely day. Saw a couple of games there, which was great. Absolutely brilliant games. Um, but before we do that, people, make sure you drop a like on the video down at the bottom of the Make sure you subscribe for brand new. We're very close to 1,000 followers. Let's keep on pushing, sharing it to everyone so everybody can follow the program. Big up yourself. But remember, drop a subscribe and drop a like real quick. Ah, where do we begin, people? Where do we begin? Early morning game till 8 o'clock, and oh, England set themselves up. It was different from what we would anticipate for for England and where they're playing. No, it's difficult for me to say that England deserved to win because they didn't play against anyone. Iran just show up and that was it. That was it. They just show up and that was it. They just showed because they want to show them colors. And jersey, I guess, flag. I don't know, but they didn't show up to play football. England had 70% of the football, 70% possession of the football. What the hell was Iran doing the entire time, fam? What the hell was Iran doing the entire time? And I'm playing with themselves. What the hell were they doing, fam? Nothing. Nothing. Iran was shit. So before getting to the game, let me show you guys what we have in terms of the team that we're showing today. These man right here. So Jordan Pickford, Luke Shaw, Declan Rice, John Stones, Harry Maguire, Harry Kane, Raheem Sterling, Kieran Trippier, Bukayo Saka, Mason Mount, Jude Bellingham. Now, as a Manchester United fan, I love the fact that Luke Shaw is playing. I'm not convinced of Harry Maguire, but he's good for England, so let it be. I'm done talking about that right now. However, this English team right here, with a few additions to the squad, can be a very formidable team. But I'm not yet convinced. No, I'm not convinced. I will never be convinced of Greg Southgate and where he plays in the championship, where he plays in Euros, where he playing now. It's just it's beyond belief, fam. No, I guarantee you, if Calvin Phillips was fit and raring to go, he would have been playing instead of Miss Jude Bellingham. Sure. I am absolutely sure. This man does not like to play proper progressive football. And maybe English fans like that about him. Maybe they like the fact that their team, is playing crappy football but winning. But I don't like that, fam. I want to see progressive, positive football, fam. I would like to see progressive positive football, and I don't see that from England. No, don't get me wrong, they played exceptional today. When they lost the ball, they ran their ass off to get it back. They passed the ball through channels. The team goals are great. They're coming. You can see the improvement in the English team. I don't want to charge. I don't want to chastise guys so get so much, but you never will know what he'll do when he plays against tougher opposition. You can never tell. Iran was poor. The game was poor. But when England got the first goal, they just started flowing in. And yes, they gave away two easy goals, especially the penalty should have been scored. The second goal should have never been scored, but that's a conversation for a different day. However, I do think that England has the potential, of course, to get out of this zone, but I don't think they'll go past round of 16. Believe me on that. I don't think they'll go past round of 16. But hey, that's a conversation for another day. That is a conversation for another day. I do want to say, however, as I'm a Manchester United fan, I can tell you right now that I am glad that Rashford is off and running in terms of scoring. All right, let me show you what I got now. with the thing. Now, it's the second game that I want to talk about. It's Netherlands and Senegal. To me, Netherlands can be a dark horse at the tournament, semifinals, probably even finals. They are going to be very good, especially in the second round, the knockout stage when football gets real. However, they have to pinch up a few things in the information, new personnel that might change things a little bit. Now, I do think that the first starting lineup was Andreas Noppert. I don't know who is a debutant, so it might be very good if he's playing over the Ajax goalkeeper. So, yes. Matthijs de Ligt, Virgil van Dijk, Nathan Aki, Denzel Dumfries, right? And you have Cody Gakpo. And you have Steven Bergwijn. And you have Frankie de Jong. And you have Steven Bergwijn. Then you have Vincent Jensen. And then of course you have Jalen. Jalen is not on that list, but he's definitely in the starting lineup. So whoever did that. Yeah, but yeah. So the formation, I can see what Louis van Gaal is doing in terms of the type of players that he has. He has a wonderful right wing back and a wonderful left wing back who's better as right back, but the left wing back is good. And I think that he's using his abilities as a left wing back plus the three wicked defenders that he has in Matthijs de Ligt, Virgil van Dijk, and Nathan Ake to control the defense and play in the midfield. I understand that, but it shouldn't take 89 minutes for you to score against Senegal. Now, don't get me wrong, Senegal was a wonderful team. It is a wonderful team. And without Sadio Mane, they're losing a little bit of cutting edge in the forward line. But they played some good football. And they had majority of the ball too, playing football with Netherlands. But before we get to the goals and where the individual teams are playing, I just want to address the fact that I'm saying that these guys are going to be dark horses for the semifinals and finals for the World Cup. But they need to start playing a little bit better, right? Like the 5-3-2 can work in a tournament competition because you're playing to win, you're not playing to entertain. I understand that. I do. I really do. And for the personnel that you have, yes, you can do this 5-3-2 or you can do it very well because they're very good. But I just don't want to see them playing like that, fam. I want to see 4-3-3. You are the ones that pioneered the 4-3-3 in the Netherlands. You are the ones that brought it into the 4. I know you're turning over to 4-5-3-2. Come on, man. Come on, man. We'll get to the goals. When we say a big shout out to Senegal because you guys played very well. Check Coyote. Man, no, they don't go up and crack is touch a catch is a hamstring mash up, man. I don't know. But yeah, it was a good game, good competitive game of the 89 minutes. After the first goal, then they started pushing more. Obviously gave out the spaces for Netherlands to counter, and the second goal came along. So yeah, big shout out to Senegal. Big shout out to Senegal. I just want to say my pick for player of the tournament will be Cody Gakpo. I've been thinking about this guy since last year when he had a wonderful season last year and he transferred that season into this year. And I do believe that he's going to have a wonderful tournament. And he started off the year with a wonderful goal as well. So look forward to seeing Tony Gakpo pushing on and on and on because Manchester United is going to buy him this January. I tell you that right now. They will be buying him this January. Just remember me tell you that right now. Or trying to anyway. But yeah, Cody Gakpo, very good goal. Wonderful ball from Frankie de Jong and Cody Gakpo just up in the air and back of your head, the net. Goalkeeper nowhere to be found, just scratching for places. Yeah, so yeah, very good goal. And another victim of Barcelona who could possibly be another Manchester United pickup is that like a short man. No, don't get me wrong. He was at Manchester United at first, and he flopped not flop, but he wasn't given a decent chance. And his current manager Van Hal are and also Mourinho. So I do believe that he has if Manchester United go for him, he could have a second tint and it could be good for him because he looks mature. And even though you have flashes and the cars and stuff, I don't care about that. That's the game that you're playing is what I'm worried about. And it looks different. It looked different in Leon and it looks different in Barcelona. I want to see him do better at Manchester United. So come and get a second tint, Memphis, because that ball you played in the last part of the game, chopping down, kick a shot, and then you parry the ball, and then um the Netherlands guy scored. That was a wonderful play, and I like to see those type of football throughout the game, throughout the series, throughout the World Cup. I can't wait to see more of the Netherlands. I'm not going to lie. Can't wait to see more of Netherlands. So yeah, it's gonna be a great, 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 great competition. Big up to Wales and the USA for drawing 1-1. USA took lead, I think first half, late in the first half. Um, then Netherlands got a penalty. Wales got a penalty late in the second half. Gareth Bale scored. Thing is, I didn't watch the game. I didn't see that game because after I went home, I went straight to the gym. But yeah, good draw for both of them. No, it's winning. No point. No, what you can do is win against Iran, both of you, because you're definitely gonna lose against England, and then I go battle about goal difference. So let's see what the goals are going to be against Iran and how much goals they can prevent them to score against England. But hey, good games. Tomorrow is the next big games. I'll come back tomorrow talking about them tomorrow as well. Make sure you bless up yourself. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe down there if you're brand new as well, people. Subscribe down there if you're brand new. We'll be talking about football, work of football every day. As long as we got breath, we got air. Let's talk about it. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.